It's conference season again, and in this video, I'm going to share with you all of the conferences that I'm currently teaching at or attending for 2026 that I think you should check out as well. First up is Imaging USA. Now, Imaging is always the first conference of the year, and for 2026 it's taking place in Nashville, Tennessee. Unfortunately, I won't be speaking this year. I'm primarily attending because I'm receiving my Master's of Wedding Photography from PPA, but you'll be able to catch me on the showroom floor doing talks for H&H Color Lab and Westcott over at the Pixel Connection booth. So if you're going to be there, be sure to stop by and say hello. Next up, we have the Lens and Light Summit. This is actually my first time attending this event, and I'm kind of excited because it's in New England and I grew up in New England. Now, Lens and Light is taking place February the 23rd through the 26th in Mystic, Connecticut. So if you want to attend, I've included a code down below in the description that'll help you save a couple bucks on your registration. Now, the Bokeh Academy Las Vegas workshop will be taking place March the 2nd. This is the second year for the event, so if you missed it last year, I'm sure you had tons of FOMO seeing all of the amazing content and images that the attendees were able to capture. Once again, we'll have lighting provided by Westcott. Cheetah Stand will be providing the grip along with some additional modifiers, and there'll be lots of lenses on hand for you all to be able to test out in the field. Now, this event is only limited to 100 attendees and registration is ending soon. So if you don't want to miss out on the event this year, then head on over to our website and sign up now. Next up, we have ShutterFest. Now, everybody knows that ShutterFest is the first conference that I ever attended. It's also the first conference where I was ever a speaker. And I'm excited to be coming back in 2026 for my 9th year with the ShutterFest family. The event is taking place April the 7th through the 9th in St. Louis, Missouri. And if you've attended ShutterFest in the past, then you know you're in for a good time. But if you haven't, just be sure you're ready for a week of non-stop shooting. If you're looking to build your portfolio or just looking to try some new things that you don't normally get to try, then this is the place to be. ShutterFest is basically a photographer's playground of shooting opportunities. If you want to join us in St. Louis, tickets are currently on sale on the website, so be sure to go and get yours now. And the last conference on the list for 2026 is my conference, the Bokeh Photo Summit. This year, the event is taking place July the 27th through the 29th here in Atlanta. As always, we've got an amazing lineup of speakers ready to help you level up whether you're shooting weddings, portraits, maternity, or boudoir. There's also an array of business classes to help you be able to make money off of the new skills that you learned while you were down here in Atlanta with us. So if you want to hang out with us here in Atlanta, I'll left the link down below along with a code with a special discount so you can save on tickets to the event. Well, that wraps it up for the list of conferences that I'll be at for this year, but I'll also be speaking at some smaller events like local PPA guilds, along with some of my own workshops that I'll be hosting here in Atlanta in the spring. For more information about those workshops, then head over to bokehacademy.com. But I invite you to join us in our private Facebook group where we have updates on all of our workshops and events, along with the free weekly webinars that I host. So thanks again for stopping by. And if you want any tips on how to be able to maximize your time at photography conferences, be sure to check out the next video. Happy New Year, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.